It's not just dust. Something else might be going on. If your cat keeps sneezing, it's usually trying to tell you something. Allergies and irritants, like dust, smoke, or strong scents, are the most common triggers. Viral infections can also cause sneezing, especially if you see watery eyes or nasal discharge. Most sneezing is mild, but patterns matter. Keep their space clean, avoid strong scents, and call your vet if sneezing lasts more than a few days. A sneeze can be small, but it can say a lot. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to Bougie Poochie for more interesting pet videos.